I like your car, Jackie.
Oh, you do? I've only had it for a week.
It looks very expensive.
Really? I guess new ones are expensive, but this one's used.
It is? It doesn't look like a used car. It looks brand new.
It feels cold in here.
It does?
Yes, really cold. Is the heat on?
Yes, it is. It'll feel warmer in a minute.
Waiter,
Yes, sir.
these vegetables aren't fresh.
But they are fresh, sir.
Well, they don't taste fresh to me. I want you to get the manager.
I'd like you to listen to my new stereo, Eduardo. Does it sound all right?
Yes, it sounds fine to me.
I think the bass is too loud.
No, it sounds perfect. It sounds better than mine.
Have you changed your perfume?
Yes, why, do you like it?
Yes, it smells wonderful. What is it?
It's Roseanne by Devlon.
It smells expensive. Is it?
I don't know. It was a present.